Look at Delhi's weather. It's so foggy, so chilly. Even AIQ level is so high. We are not able to take breath right freshly. We don't get fresh air in Delhi. And right now it's 8:30 or 8:40 in between. But when I woke up at the time, I was not able to get the trees, plants. I was not able to see clearly trees and plants. Still, there is foggy weather. There's foggy a lot, but at least we can see clearly plants, trees, little plants and tree. But that time I was not able to see clearly. But we can't do anything, right? All the works we have to done. So there's very it's a chilly weather, but we can't do anything. We have to do study. I woke up at 6:30 and then I prepared my breakfast for all family members, and now I'm planning for sit for study. And I'll sit for study for 2 to 3 hours. And firstly I'll do quick revision of current affair and computer question, because though I have completed my all syllabus, but when I sit for mock test I do mistake. I don't know why. And when I analyzed that, then I knew that, oh my god, then I know that, oh my god, I knew that answer. I don't know why I did mistake. So this type of these things happen to you as well. I want to know, and maybe it definitely happened. So I need to why it is happened, because I need revision. I'm not I think I didn't give revision. That's why I'm making mistake. So I sit for study. I'll do 30 minutes revision, 30 minutes to revision, and then I'll attempt one mock test. And though I have exam in upcoming Sunday for EMRS JSA post, but I'm attempting mock test in KVS or NVS, because we have very less time for KVS exam as well. EMRS, what we had to do, we have done. I think we done already. So there's no any possibility. If you will completely dedicated toward EMRS exam, you will get more score. If you are not doing well, then 2 to 3 days left. So I don't know, we can do something amazing and creative within just 2 days. So it's better to focus on KVS exam. So what I have to do preparation, I think I have done. So I need to focus toward KVS exam. Let's see what happened. So that's what I'm gonna to start, and we'll see you later. Thank you so much.